In today's video, I am going to teach you how to duplicate a column in Smartsheet. The first thing to know is that Smartsheet does not include a built-in duplicate column option. That means you cannot simply click a button and have an exact copy of a column appear next to it. However, you can still duplicate the information by using a straightforward workaround. This approach keeps things simple and works reliably, especially when you want the new column to contain the same set of cells. To begin, open your Smartsheet and locate the sheet where you want to duplicate the column. Then find the column you want to copy. Take a moment to confirm that this is the correct column, because once you start copying, you want the data to match exactly. If your sheet has many columns, you may want to scan the header row carefully to make sure you are working with the right one. This small check helps avoid redoing the process. Next, you will insert a new column. Look for the option that adds a column, usually found near your existing column headers. When you insert a new column, you are creating an empty space where you will place the copied cells. Choose a clear location for the new column, such as right next to the original column. This makes it easier to compare the two columns afterward. It also helps you keep your sheet organized while you complete the duplicate. Once the new column is inserted, the key part is copying the cells from the original column. Click into the original column and select the set of cells you want to duplicate. In most cases, you will copy all the cells in that column, so the new column matches the original from top to bottom. Make sure your selection includes the data you want, including any filled cells and values that may appear lower in the column. If there are blank cells in the original, that is also fine, because duplicating the range ensures the structure lines up the same way. Now that the cells are selected, copy them. Use the usual copy command for your computer, or the copy option available in the Smartsheet interface. At this point, you should see that your selection is ready to be pasted somewhere else. This matters because the next step will move the data into the new column you created, making your duplicate as close as possible to what the built-in option would do. After copying, paste the copied cells into the new column. Click inside the new column, usually at the first cell in that column where the pasted values should begin. Then run the paste command. Smartsheet will place the copied data into the new column cells. As you paste, keep an eye on whether it fills down correctly and whether the values appear under the right rows. If the paste inserts starting at the correct top cell, the rest should align naturally. Once the paste is complete, review the new column to confirm it looks right. Check the header area to make sure the new column is the one you created. Then scan through a few entries in both columns to confirm they match. Pay attention to any formatting or types of values, such as dates, numbers, or text. Since you are copying cells directly, the content should transfer over as expected. If anything looks off, you can repeat the copy and paste from the original column into the new one. That is the full workaround for duplicating a column in Smartsheet. You insert a new column, copy the cells from the original column, and paste them into the new column. That covers everything you need to know.